Number 4. Norfolk and Western 2156. Why would the most powerful reciprocating steam engine on the planet not be on this list? It has 170,000 pounds of tractive effort, for criminy sakes. Sorry, but that's all I have to say for this engine, so I apologize. Number 3. The Union Pacific Big Boy number 4014. This engine needs no introduction. Everyone knows the Big Boy. It's big, it's strong, and it goes 80 miles per hour. What more could you want? Number 2. The New York Central L4B Mohawk, named after the Mohawk River on the New York Central's famous water level route. These engines are cool looking in my opinion, and yes, 3001 is included to being cool. Now, before we get to number 1, I would like to give some honorable mentions to this list. The Pennsylvania Railroad S1, the T1, the J1, and the Southern Pacific AC9 and AC12. And now for my number 1 pick. The Pennsylvania Railroad Q2 Duplex. This has got to be my favorite steam locomotive of all time on this list. One Q2 could hold 125 cars at 50 miles per hour. That's crazy. It may not be as strong as the Y6A or Y6B, but hey, it was powerful enough. And I'm really sad that none of these survived today. But anyway, that's the end of this list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.